Hi guys, I'm Zonghan and welcome to ZaTaYaYummy. Today on ZaTaYaYummy is back to basics, and I'm going to share with you guys how to make a good old classic white bread. It's not that hard to make a basic white bread, but I want to challenge myself to recreate this recipe without using any eggs or any form of dairy products, making it vegan. Anyway, to get things started, add in all of the ingredients into your bread machine, starting with the wet ingredients. You could also use a stand mixer with a dough attachment instead.
Here, I'm adding some water, vegetable oil, bread flour, sugar, soy milk powder, salt, and yeast. Knead the dough using the bread maker for about 25 minutes. It will take about 15 minutes if you are using a stand mixer. You want it to be really smooth and stretchy. Let it proof for an hour until it triples in volume. Remove the dough from the tin. Then divide the dough into 3 equal portions on a lightly floured surface. Roll each dough into a small disc. Then tuck in both sides and roll it into a long rectangular shape. Arrange the sides of the dough neatly and then roll it up. Make sure to sear the edges. Set aside. Repeat this until all of the portions are done. Transfer into a greased pan tin, steam side down, and let it proof in a warm environment for about 15 minutes until it reaches 80% of the volume. Then cover the lid and let it proof for another 15 minutes while you preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Bake it in the oven for about 35 minutes or until golden brown. If you like your crust to be darker, you could bake it at 200 degrees. Carefully unmold the bread immediately and let it cool over a wire rack with a piece of cloth covering lightly. Once it is fully cool, use a bread knife or an electric knife to slice the bread neatly in an orderly manner. Then wrap it up with a plastic wrap to store the bread.
This is how you make a good old classic white bread. I try to simplify my recipe as much as possible, that's why it's usually really quick and easy to make. And I certainly hope you enjoy this recipe. So for more printable recipe like this, make sure to check out www.thezonghan.com. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out my Instagram at ZaTaYaYummy. I see you guys soon. Bye bye!